Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. If you need any other guidance, if you also contact us on our WhatsApp. Here the question number 5b is sanitation is a way of life. Justify the statement by giving any four arguments. This question is taken from the lesson 25 and you have to write the answer in the 100 to 150 words. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide on your WhatsApp. We have prepared according to the subject wise, according to the word limits, according to chapter wise. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers. And thank you so much for watching and we will meet you soon in the next video.